In this video, I'll show you how to get an ELEVENLabs API key, where to create it, and the right way to use it securely once you have it. First, sign in to your ELEVENLabs account. According to ELEVENLabs' Help Center, the place to create API keys is in the Developers area of the dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Developers, then open the API Keys tab. That's where you can create and manage your keys. Once you're there, create a new API key and give it a name so you can recognize it later. ELEVENLabs says you can create multiple API keys, and each one can have its own name for identification. That's useful if you want separate keys for different apps, projects, or environments like development and production. Now here's a very important detail. You'll only be able to see the full API key one time, right when it's created. After that, ELEVENLabs says you'll only see the key's name and the last 4 characters, not the full secret again. So when you create it, copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure. Another useful feature is permissions. ELEVENLabs' documentation says API keys can be restricted by endpoint access, and you can also set custom credit quotas on a key. Their Help Center also notes that keys are restricted by default, and you can choose which features the key is allowed to access. That means you can make a safer key by only enabling the products or endpoints your app actually needs. After you copy the key, the best practice is to store it as an environment variable instead of pasting it directly into your code. ELEVENLabs' quick start shows using an environment variable like ELEVENLabs_API_key, and their authentication docs say all API requests should send the key in the xi-API-key header. That means your app or script will use the same key to authenticate requests across ELEVENLabs' API. For example, ELEVENLabs docs show using that key in the Python and JavaScript SDKs or directly in an HTTP request header. One more thing to remember, treat your API key like a password. ELEVENLabs warns not to expose it in client-side code or share it with anyone else. If a key is ever leaked, the safer fix is to create a new one and delete the old one. ELEVENLabs also documents API key rotation through workspace settings and service accounts for more advanced setups. So to get an ELEVENLabs API key, sign in, open Developers, go to API Keys, create a new key, copy it right away, save it securely, sign in, then use it in the xi-API-key header or your SDK configuration. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.